Hello, it's me, Luis. So, I'm gonna show you how to make my bread, the HEB. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you the tips how to make them. And so first, I want you to go to your fridge and get some butter, whatever butter is fine to you. Or if you're lactose intolerant, just try to get anything else that's closest to that you can't. Well, sorry. But so then I want you to do is I want you to get your bread. Right now. And I want you to get a butter knife, just because it's for good measures. And if you want to make it like mine, I want you to get the bread first, and open the lid. Grab a little bit, just a little bit, so you don't. Make sure you get the right amount. You spread it, and you put it on both sides. I'm gonna pause the video so I can just finish. Okay, so look, I want you to put butter on both sides. I know you can't see it, but. And then I want you to heat up your stove, whatever stove you have. I want you to turn it up until like maybe 8 or 7, high as you can. You place your bread, so you have to also make sure that you have a spatula so you don't burn your hand. You place it on there with a flat pan on there. Just make sure that the whole thing is on there. And if you're a little kid and if you want to make some, ask for a parent's help. Well, my parents allowed me to make some, and like me, I like the little sizzle and stuff. But then you let it sit there for a few minutes, and if you want to, you can have a little bit more. Like I like it because, well, it's good, and I serve it to my family, and they love it. So I just like making a little bit more. Like make sure your swings are like good, because if you don't, then butter's not gonna get on the whole piece of bread. And if you don't do it correctly, well, I don't know if it tastes like mine, but I want you to cook it up, place it there, and just wait for a little bit. And when you see maybe some bubbles or something, but my bread's like weird, but wait until you see. Wait after like a few minutes, because if you just put it on, wait for a few minutes. If you want to cook it faster, press it down so it can cook it faster, and the heat goes down on the bottom. Like as I'm doing it, I'm doing a good job, but just do it a few more times, and if you like it, good. If you don't, sorry, but bye.